Hi, my name is Michelle Alva. I'm your sex, love, and intimacy guide, mindset, energy coach. I'm going to talk to you today about Yoni eggs, the benefits of using them, and how you can order them when you click down below to my affiliate link. A Yoni egg is simply defined as a vaginal crystal weight. It's a hand-carved crystal. It can also be made from the rock made from volcanic ash when it cools rapidly. It's called obsidian. And it comes in different sizes, small, medium, and large. Women are encouraged to use them in the beginning in the larger size so that they can feel more, and eventually getting down to a smaller size so that it's more challenging to hold. And women benefit by using this, inserting it into the walls of their vagina, because it helps to build the ability to have control over their pelvic floor. Squeezing and relaxing these muscles of the vagina while you have a Yoni egg inside gives women feedback, which some women have no sensation in their vagina, especially after having sexual trauma. So it helps to increase the blood flow and circulation. And if women have vaginal dryness, of course you use this with coconut oil or some type of lubricant. It enhances their ability to have a different relationship with their vaginal walls. And women will feel an enhanced sexual pleasure. And because of that, it's gonna inspire them to have easier ability to orgasm. They say that it also helps increase fertility, and it's a healing crystal. And so women say that it also reduces the symptoms of menopause and PMS related to the relaxation, the connection that happens to women that use these. And also women that have urinary incontinence benefit from learning how to squeeze at the level of where that the pelvic floor muscle is weakened or underutilized. And so by inserting the Yoni egg, it helps to give a woman feedback and also the sensation of it and the healing of the crystal. And so women can reconnect to their vagina in a way that is non-threatening, that is very healing. And it also helps to activate your transversus abdominis, because when you squeeze your pelvic floor, by default, the transversus abdominis works with the pelvic floor. And so what I offer my clients that order with my affiliate account, they get a free video and meditation series that will guide them to actually learn how to use the pelvic floor. And there's also an assessment that you will do to yourself. It's called Explore Your Pelvic Floor, so that you better understand which layer of your pelvic floor is the optimal place to insert the egg. So the vaginal tunnel, it's quite extensive for some of us, and knowing exactly where to place it will only optimize your benefit to using the Yoni egg. So message me if you want to schedule a clarity call, a breakthrough call, to learn more about how to use the Yoni egg. I also do assessments to let you know what level is involved with your pelvic floor. I offer coaching via Zoom. And click down on the link below, send me a screenshot of what you purchased with my affiliate account, and I will send you that free video and audio set bundle so that you can know what to do with the Yoni egg and appreciate the guided meditation, which also includes a womb healing meditation. So you will learn how to assess your pelvic floor, you'll learn how to use the Yoni egg, and a womb healing meditation. Thank you everyone for making the time to watch this video, share it with a friend, and together, ladies, let's nurture our yonis and empower our yonis so that we can have orgasmic abundance. Oh, and I also created a program, Awaken Your Sexual Energy, Empower Your Yoni, get in touch with your yoni power and orgasmic abundance. And it is a year-long program that you get to join me for a once-a-month group call, and you get this series of audios and videos that are going to teach you different ways of connecting to your sexual energy, your sensuality. You're going to learn about your G-spot and how to massage your yoni, how to massage your G-spot, which I forgot to mention, you can also use a wand, a crystal wand. And traditionally, women also use vibrators. However, sometimes vibrators dull us out. So when you have this inserted inside your vagina, moving it slowly and pressing into certain walls, whether it's the right side of your vaginal wall or the left, we can actually get more release of the tension that sometimes is stored in the walls of our vagina. And so if a woman has a trigger point inside her vagina, a tense spot, this will not only help to dilate her vagina if she's very tense, it'll also help to massage the walls. So this is called a wand, and this is a rose quartz wand. And so if you're like, wow, Michelle, there's so many wonderful things to get, where do I begin? Schedule a breakthrough call with me. And when you order, remember, when you order your Yoni egg or your wand, send me the screenshot and I will send you that gift that for everyone who's joining my Yoni tribe. And so together we can empower women to be more connected to their vaginas, inspiring them through the Yoni egg and the Yoni wand. And you can also use this with your partner. And I'd love to share more ideas and fun things to do as you explore yourself. So learn more about the Awaken Your Sexual Energy, Yoni Power and Orgasmic Abundance program by clicking down on the link below. And if you found this video because you subscribed to my YouTube channel, I will give you an additional 20% off the program. So message me and let me know if you're interested in joining, and I can't wait to share with you more videos on sex, love, and intimacy, and how to shift our mindset to abundance and love. And yes, we can heal our traumas. We can learn how to process and be orgasmic and full of pleasure. And this is what I stand for. Thank you. Click down below that you like this video and share it with a friend, and let's spread the Yoni love.